Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video, we are going to discuss IIT Olympiad Foundation Class 8 topic quadratic expressions. So fifth sum is the sum of two numbers is 80 and their product is 56. Find the numbers. Options are 4, 14, minus 14, minus 4, minus 18, minus 14, minus 12, minus 14. So here we don't know those two numbers, right? So let it be x comma y. So let two numbers be x comma y, and given condition is the sum of two numbers, right? So x sum of two numbers is 18, that is given. So how can we write x plus y is equal to 18, and the product of numbers is given as 56. That is product means into, that is x into y equal to 56. That is equation 1. This is equation 2, guys. So make anyone as subject, either x as subject or y as subject, and substitute in other equation and simplify. So I made from equation 2 x equal to, I made x as subject, we get 56 by y. Okay, substitute this x value in equation 1. For simplifying, the variable should be same, it should be in single variable. I substitute in equation 1, simplify, we get an equation, quadratic equation like this: y square plus 56 minus 18y equal to 0. That is y square minus 18y plus 56 is equal to 0. Then what are the factors of 56, guys? Middle term 18, 14 into 4, right? So from first two terms take y common, we get y minus 14. From second two terms take minus 4 common, we get y minus 14. So overall we got y minus 14, y minus 4 as the factors, equal to 0. We get y minus 14 equal to 0, implies y equal to 14. Therefore y equal to 4. We got y value. What about x value? Substitute this y value any one of the equation, either 1 or 2, and substitute and simplify, we get x value, guys. I substitute in equation 3, that is xy equal to 56. In place of y, I replace it by 14. Because we got two values, we need to find two values, guys. So x equal to 4. Okay, in case 2, y equal to 4, what it becomes? Substitute in place of y, we get x equal to 14. Therefore x equal to 4 or 14, guys. That is option A. Option A. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.